Start using this amazing website if you want to get a whole article with over 3,000 words in any topic in any niche. And heads up, the first parameter to make your blog post rank higher on Google search results is the valuable content. And that's why our today's website comes to the picture, because it gives you an entire search engine optimized article concerning the keywords you're targeting and headings and subheadings that cover all points within your article. Thus, make the way to the amazing website for today, that is Shopea.ai. It's a wonderful website that gives you a chance to generate comprehensive article and optimize it for search engine optimization just by using artificial intelligence. And to be amazed more, let me show you the pricing plans in this amazing website. As you see, they are affordable for everyone who is working in plugin business like Standard, Pro, and Enterprise. And according to the words you want to generate per month, you could decide the cost of your plan. For example, for 40,000 words per month, just you can pay $9 a month, okay, and so on and so forth. And for sure, there is an unmissable offer from AppSumo.com regarding Shopea that gives you the lifetime deal and lifetime access to Shopea.ai just for $50, one-time purchase. With these amazing features, with like 25,000 words per month and 20 SEO reports per month and 10 topic clusters per month and much more. And now let me walk through this amazing website and to show you how it works. We can go to Shopea.ai and click over this one, start my free trial without any credit card details. So click over this button, start my free trial. Then continue with email. And just insert your details like full name, email, and the password. Then we go together to the dashboard of your account here on Shopea.ai. And here in the dashboard, you can find 3 templates, like search over 80 AI writers. Here you can find a lot of templates that you can find in a lot of AI tools out there like Jasper, WriteSonic, Copywriter, and so on and so forth, regarding the social media marketing campaigns, ad copies, and for blog business like introduction, conclusion, listicles, and so on, or regarding YouTube business like introduction, hook, script, and much more. And this one, content planner, here you can get article ideas and keywords from your competitors in your niche. And as for content planner, the best thing here on Shopea.ai, if you give Shopea a bunch of keywords, it would give you back a bunch of articles that are integrated to each other around your field and your niche. And as for generating a whole article with over 3,000 words and optimize it for search engine optimization, here you can select this one, article writer. So you can click over that, article writer. And the first step, you have to describe your article you want to generate here on Shopea.ai, depending on the template like general or how to or explainer or listicles like the top 15, like the top 100, and so on and so forth, or review of a product or a website, and so on and so forth. So for example, and quickly, just you can insert something like how to lose weight in a month, okay? And here you can insert your keywords that you want to include in your article for search engine issues, like lose weight, comma, weight loss, and lose pounds, and fitness, for example, and so on and so forth. Here you can select the tone in your article like casual, creative, informative, professional, and so on. So you can select high energy. Perfect. And for this one, this part is allowed for the pro users or premium users in the pricing plans or the lifetime access from AppSumo.com. Just you can get your keywords from other competitors, okay, depend on the service or the Google search results. Anyway, just you can click over this one, next title, to generate a clickable and attractive title about your topic. And here you go, there are some attractive and clickbait titles that grab the screen eyes searching for something about your field and your niche, like revolutionize your fitness routine and lose weight in a month, achieve real weight loss goals, and so on and so forth. And now let's pick one of these beautiful titles like this one, for example, lose weight now. Okay, use as a title. a search engine optimized title. And now it's time to generate the outline or the structure of your article that consists of headings and subheadings that cover all points about your topic, as you see from H2 and H3, like set your goals, create a diet and exercise plan, food nutrient-rich foods, plan your meals ahead, exercise regularly, and so on and so forth. Of these beautiful headings and subheadings that cover all aspects and insights about your topic. Perfect. And of course, you can make expansion of this outline with artificial intelligence and generate more headings and subheadings, or you can regenerate a newer one. Okay. And of course, you can regenerate more from these suggestions by artificial intelligence, AI suggestions, like identify your goals, get moving, exercise regularly, and so on. And just you can add anyone like mindful eating strategies. Okay, and just you can move it, just you can drag it to up here as the mindful eating strategies. Perfect, and so on and so forth. As for the SEO analysis and frequently asked questions, here you can investigate the SERPs articles about the same topic. And of course, these sections are allowed for premium users in Shopea.ai. Okay, perfect. And now we can keep this amazing outline of your article and go choose outline. And here you can make it your paragraphs brief or detailed ones. So you can make it detailed as default settings and generate your article. As you see, you would find your article with over 4,000 words. Wow, it's a mind-blowing article that consists of relevant and integrated headings and subheadings about your topic, as you see. And here in this right panel, you can find a lot of templates that you can use to generate ad copies for Instagram, Twitter, and so on, and for your blog, like introduction, conclusion, article ideas, outlines, article section, and so on. And for search engine title, meta description, like top 10 list, summarize something, and for brand awareness, for company info, copywriting frameworks, and much more. Perfect. And now, how to download this article? Just you can go to this one, this arrow, export your article. You can find two options, in docs, okay, or in HTML to keep all these formatting settings. And now I hope you enjoyed this video and start using this amazing website if you want to generate a whole article with over 3,000 words about your topic, about any niche. And don't forget that your article would be optimized for search engine. And now I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave us a comment section. See you in the next video.